Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change SIM1 ringtone in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to setting in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, go to sounds and vibration, click this. And okay guys, here in sounds and vibration, okay, you can see below the SIM1 ringtone. So okay, you have to do is click SIM1 ringtone. And now you can change the ringtone of your SIM1. So okay, you can select from this option, okay, you can scroll down for more tones below. So okay, I choose your SIM1 ringtone is changed. So okay, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.